Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if KB5101650 Windows latest update not installing in your system and found having error. If you are also facing such type of issue, Windows update not installing in your Windows 11 system, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings, and here go to system settings from the left side, and from the right side click on troubleshoot. On the next page, click on Other Troubleshooters, and here Run Windows Update Troubleshoot. Click on Run and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and check whether your Windows Update error code fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process, and if not found your error fixed, then go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. Here in run dialog box, type the command services.msc and click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. In services windows, start or restart various Windows update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer services, BITS. Simply apply a double click on it and set up a startup type as automatic, and if you found it in a stop mode, then start it, and if you found already in a start mode, then restart these services, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. The second one is cryptographic services. Same process. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart it, otherwise start it. The next services is cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, and if you found already in a start mode, then restart it. Some pop-up messages will appear. Follow on screen instruction, choose yes, and thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set up a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. And the last one is Windows Update Services. Scroll down and look for Windows Update Services. Same process, start or restart it and set a startup type as automatic. Right click on it and choose start or restart, and thereafter apply a double click on it and choose the startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. You must restart your system after changing in services, Windows services. The next one is, again, right click on a start button and choose run dialog box. You may press Win+R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type msconfiz msconfig to clean boot your system. Click on OK. Here from the top menu bar, go to Services tab and make the check against option Hide All Microsoft Services and click on Disable All from the bottom right corner. Thereafter, go to a Startup tab from the top menu bar, and here click on the link Open Task Manager. All the startup apps will visible here. Find out enabled startup apps. If you found any startup apps enabled, simply right click on it and choose disable. Follow this process for all other enabled startup apps. Disable all startup apps enabled in your system, and thereafter close the window and choose apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and here type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and in command prompt Windows, first execute this 3 DISM tool as shown on screen. Execute all these 3 DISM tool one by one. DISM online cleanup image scanhealth, DISM online cleanup image checkhealth, and DISM online cleanup image restorehealth. Execute all these 3 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And once successfully execution of these 3 DISM tool, execute the command SFC scan now. SFC/scan now and press enter. It will scan your computer for any corrupted file system and repair them accordingly. So wait till 100% verification complete. This process will take some time. So wait till verification 100% complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system. You must restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows settings, press Win+I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here go to system from the left side and thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and click on storage. Here go to temporary files and previously downloaded folders, files, caches. It should be cleared. So click on downloads, temporary download files, click on it and clear. Click on clear download caches from your Windows 11 system. And after that, check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, one more fixes. Execute Windows Update components. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. And here in command prompt Windows, execute some Windows Update components in your system one by one, followed by enter key on each time. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply go to my video description box and copy one by one and execute in your Windows 11 and 10 system. And don't forget to press enter after each entry. So execute one by one all these Windows Update components in your system. And after that, execute these 4 commands to start them, which you have earlier stopped them. And after that, restart your system. Your problem should be definitely be resolved. Don't forget to restart after executing some Windows Update components. If none of the workaround works and your Windows latest update not yet installing, then manually download and install it. Open your Google Chrome browser and here type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press enter and open the first result, Microsoft Update Catalog. And in Microsoft Update Catalog window, type the KB update KB5101650 and click on search. Now go to all your available related Windows latest update, simply July update KB5101650 and manually click on download and install in your Windows 11 system. This is basically a security update, so you must update and install in your system and follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installation process in your system.